How to fix can't add audio to Instagram Reels. So if you want to fix can't add audio to your Instagram Reels, then what you need to do is you just need to simply tap and hold on to your Instagram application. Go with the app info section. Once you're under the app info, you need to go with storage and cache and go with clear cache and also clear storage. Once you've cleared your cache and cleared your storage, you just need to simply go back and log into your account, and after that your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then move on to the next solution, which is you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store and you need to search for Instagram. Once you search, you may have any updates right here, so you just need to simply go with update if you have any updates, and once you've updated, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't, then you just need to simply go and restart. Tap and hold on to your power button, tap on restart, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. That's how you can fix can't add audio to your Instagram Reels. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.